Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to remove the installation folder of any game in the Epic Games Store. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher if you haven't already. After opening up Epic Games guys and logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the games that you have in your account and all the games that you can buy in the store. So guys, let's say this is the game right here that I want to move the installation folder for, but I do not want to download the whole game again. So guys, how do we do that? Well, it's very easy guys. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the folder where your game is located. Here is the official folder from the Epic Games launcher that is installed of the game. So guys, all you have to do to move the installation folder is just go ahead and copy these files that you have in this folder, the original folder of the Epic Games launcher. Then you want to go ahead and create a new folder somewhere on your PC with a different name where you are going to go ahead and paste those files. As you can see, I have already done that. I have pasted the files right here in this folder. And now guys, what we want to do is go ahead and delete, uninstall the game that you want. So guys, you can go ahead and install the game. After uninstalling the game guys, we're going to go ahead and uninstall the folder as it is empty now. And now guys, what you want to do is go ahead and start the installation again. And now you can choose where you want to install it. You can install it anywhere you want. I'm going to install it in the same folder just to show you how it works. So guys, go ahead and click on the blue install button where you want it, and when the download starts, you're going to go ahead and pause it. As you can see here guys, it is downloading, and that's because it has to download the files again. So guys, what we are going to do is go ahead and exit out of the launcher. Right here, we're going to go ahead and exit. And now we're going to go ahead and take these files right here, and we're going to copy them from the folder where we pasted the files. And now we're going to paste it into the file that was just created. Here is the folder that was just created by Epic Games, where is the official installation location. So we're going to paste those files right here, and after pasting them guys, now we can go ahead back to Epic Games launcher and log into your account again. So I'm going to go ahead guys and log in to my account right now. And after logging in guys, you can go ahead and start the installation again. So go ahead guys, back to library and resume the download. As you can see here guys, it is no longer downloading because we have the game files, it is only installing. So guys, that's how you do it, that's how you change the install location. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.